This is a Flipkart smartbuy gaming keyboard. Now I'm going to show you the biggest manufacturing defect of this keyboard. Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Scienceofelectronics, and my name is Defect. Today I am going to unboxing the Flipkart smartbuy new launched keyboard and its biggest manufacturing defect and its printing mistakes. This is a Flipkart smartbuy gaming keyboard, and this keyboard comes with the membrane technology, so it is not a mechanical keyboard. So the feelings of this membrane keyboard, like you can say that it is actually the semi-mechanical keyboard. If you see here the keyboard typing, you can feel the sound. In this case, it is actually the budget segment keyboard. The look is the very awesome because here you can see the scratches, design. Here you can see the symbol num lock, caps lock and scroll lock are present in this keyboard also. Backside, here you can see this keyboard comes with this texture feelings. It is actually made in China. If you can see there, the pass in 2021 and quality is second quality product. Backside you can also get a tilt stand. Here this keyboard support the Windows lock system, so if you tap on function and after that if you tap Windows, then it is locked Windows key. It is also have breathing effect. You need to just press the function key and after that you need to press pause break or print screen keys. Here you can see the breathing effect, but it is not mentioned. If I turn off the light, you can see this breathing effect effectively. You can also adjust the brightness by using this plus and minus key. Let's talk about the unconsiderable manufacturing defect of this keyboard. Here you can see these keyboard are actually not made by injection molding. Actually these keycaps are made by the die. So here you can see the background lighter appear from under this key, so you can see that this keyboard are actually colored by a spray color. Here you can also see the light also comes in this side. If I turn off the light, you can observe it. You can also observe this. Here you can see this lighter comes in this section. If you compare these three keys on your keyboard, you can see this is the main biggest printing mistake on this keyboard. Equals to or need to present in the front side of this plus, and this third bracket are need to present in the front side of the previous of this second bracket. In this case, you can see the primary button is the 9 is the primary, 8 is the primary and 7 is the primary. When you just going to put this 9 value, then you does not need pressing the shift key, so it is a primary. If you put the 9, then you can see the 9 here, and when you press the 8, then you can see the 8 here. When I'm just going to press the 8, then you can see it is 8 here. If I press 7, then 7. If I press 6, then 6. And when I pressed the shift plus this shift button, shift plus 7, then you can see the ampersand symbol. So the beside this symbol as the secondary, you need to if you need to print this secondary, then you need to press the shift button. In this case, when I'm going to print this equals to symbol, then I need to press the shift key and press this equals to. But what is happen? Plus is appear here. So this is the biggest mistake. If I compare this Flipkart smartbuy keyboard with my old Logitech keyboard and also a old e-spectrum keyboard, then you can see this is the plus is the second bracket is the secondary, but here you can see plus is the primary and the second bracket is present in the primary. In those case, these two are the correct button. Here you can see plus is the secondary, plus is the secondary, and second bracket secondary and second bracket secondary, but in this case second bracket primary and third bracket are the secondary and plus is the primary and equals to is the secondary. So these biggest mistakes are present, or this biggest manufacturing defect is present on this keyboard. Actually this keyboard is not made by using double injection molding technology, and if you see here, the actually black paint are sprayed from the upper section of this keyboard, and here you can see the colors are present in the inside this keyboard. And here if you see here, if you see here inside the keyboard, actually black spot inside this keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay happy, stay safe. See you next time.